What?
Water.
I'm disqualified already.
So first of 2 minutes for all your hot dogs. You gotta finish it. Used to
Ready? Shut up, bro.
Ready, set, eat.
Oh my
Okay, Cody.
Really?
We can't even eat one before 2 minutes.
Eat that wiener.
Come on.
Hey, there's $150 on the line.
Wienerville for a reason. No, that's
We eat food, bro.
No ketchup or no
Dry.
Dry dogs.
Daddy.
Paul's trying not to throw up.
Whoa.
We got Wienerville.
I need go-kart parts.
Cody's on the
Not
second
in
one.
go-kart park.
Everybody's on the go-kart park. Cody, you're
Eat that
Cody's
wiener.
raised Wienerville.
Some of y'all are
So far, we have Cody.
Damn, I don't worry about food.
You gotta.
Okay.
Gavin, don't choke on your wiener.
I'm about to die on this one.
We got a minute left. We got a minute left.
Good for the home team.
Don't waste these hot dogs. Tommy's gonna come up. I got it over here. Hey now. Sound extra up.
No, go, Cody's in the lead.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Eat that wiener.
Slow down.
He does this on a daily.
Sorry, I should have.
Jack champion.
Watch out, Harbor, that water might fall on you.
Come on, slow asshole, folks.
Robert's
Cody's in Wienerville.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
Get it, Cody, get it.
Winner eat.
9,
That's right.
8,
Just sloppy.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Put them on the table and back up.
Thank God. Y'all laughing at me. I didn't kill you, but you still killed two.
Cody, Robert, and Adam.
Wait, hold that hot dog up.
I barely think I could have ate them all.